Hey y'all, so it's 10:46 at night. My hair is not done. But most of it is. I chopped off a lot of it, but yeah, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to see her. And I'm basically taking out my hair because by the title of this video, we are getting ready with me to travel again. So I wasn't gonna tell y'all where I was going, but I guess I gotta explanation it. But for the last year or so, yeah, for like the last year or so, one of my uncles was battling cancer, and unfortunately he lost his battle to the disease on the 6th of September. Did I say what today is? It's the 25th. So yeah, he passed away on the 6th of September, and we are getting ready to go to Jamaica to go and send him home. So yeah, it's Monday. I leave next week Tuesday, and get ready with me. So yeah, as you saw, I was taking out my hair because I gotta obviously do my hair again. And I just gotta say, I'm not normally the type of person to keep my hair, well, I can keep my hair in for a long period of time, but normally like I get really irritated, especially with braids, because I've noticed for like the last couple of years or so, braids didn't last well in my hair. Like I don't know if I was allergic, I don't know if it was the brand that I was using or what, but it just was not working out for me. But I managed to keep those braids in since I did my hair for Mexico. And that's crazy to me. That's literally, I did my hair, call it the week of the teens, and it's September 25th, so 2 months. And that's why I'm struggling to take it out, because I have so much dirt built up and all of that stuff in my hair. It's crazy. But anyways, I got a package today, and Customs is playing with me because, well, Shein first of all is playing with me because they split my package in two. Why? I don't know, but they split it in two. So one of two has arrived. Well, two of two has arrived. One of two is still at the airport somewhere, because I had to call the shipping company today because I have the tracking number, but I'm on the website unable to track the package, and I need it. My mom's funeral dress is in there. I need this thing to cover up my dress. It's in there, and I don't have a plan B, so it needs to get here. Fingers crossed it gets here by next Monday. That's all. Like I'm okay. It's in Canada. It's in Canada already. They confirmed it's in Canada. It's been in Canada since Friday, which is crazy to me. But because I'm wondering, I'm like, how did I get this one and not get the other one? But hey, something better than nothing. So first package. Yeah, y'all, I don't think I've been nervous to go to Jamaica, but I'm nervous. Like, it's just gonna be a whole different scenario, because for one, I'm not going to Kingston. I'm not gonna be in Fort Worth. So yeah, it's so different. I had to get an Airbnb. Like I'm gonna be in Montego Bay, but I had to get an Airbnb. You know, it's just weird, but yeah, it should be a time. So I'll show you guys what I got in this package. I got these shorts. These cute little shorts, and it's so crazy because I have a shirt in here that looked like it could wear with it. Courtney, don't tell me I gotta, no, the fringe is a different color. But it could have gone. This is the shirt. Like it could have, but the blues are definitely more pronounced on this one. And then the frill, this is more of like a cream and this is white. So although I could have wear it tonight and nobody never have to know, but yeah, I got that, the shirt and the shorts, and then I got this shirt, single bed and call it a night. Okay, I got this shirt. Oh y'all, I hate when things have like this on the back of them. Like I don't like my shirts to be like that. Like I'd rather a zip up or button up. I hate it. Ugh. I get it, but I hate it. Okay, hopefully this looks a lot better on, but I seen the picture and I was like, yeah, this was doubled in my cart. I don't know if I explanation this before, but my last couple Shein orders, like I've gotten a lot of double stuff. Why, I don't know, but yeah, quickly went to them and I was like, cancel this bad boy, cancel one, because I don't need to. Ooh. I thought the romper was, yeah, I swear to you, I think I'm missing one thing. But she better not run with me. I got this dress. I love like maxis. So I got this dress. Love the blue, love the orange. And yeah, so I got this cute little beads. It's not really that kind of a trip where I need to worry too much about like my outfits and planning stuff and stuff like that. It's just basically a go with the flow, get what we need to get done, which is the funeral and all the festivities leading up to. And yeah, because it's gonna be different for our family. This one is gonna be different. Not gonna talk too much about it. Just come on for the ride. Pray that my camera survives because baby it's giving me a time. But yeah, I do want to obviously get some content in, so I have to throw in a two little things. But ooh, I don't even want to take this out of the bag. But I saw this and I was in love. I feel like I should have gotten, ooh, I feel like I should have gotten it in a large. Yeah, the quality looked a lot better on the site, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Leave you in the bag. Oh, I thought it was like a, I thought it was like a corset. Corset, like a ribbed corset. I should have left all of this shit in the bag. I'm not opening my suitcase right now. But that's my mini haul for today. I gotta go and do like a quick mini fill on my lashes. I did my lashes on Thursday. And what else? My nails. Baby. This one broke off in my sleep. I don't know how. This one I bit off yesterday because it's killing me. This one, same thing, I had to do today because it's killing me. And so yeah, it's just like any mini miny mo, who's gonna go next? And this set was super cute. So yeah, but I gotta schedule that in. My wax, my toes. I'm gonna be doing my hair. I think I should be able to do that this weekend though. So probably like around Thursday, I'm gonna start it. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we can finish it up Monday if I need to. So that's perfect, yeah. And then yeah, I need to do some shirts and stuff. So probably tomorrow I'll come home and start editing the design for the shirt. And yeah, try to get some content done. I guess when I get the rest of my clothes, then I can do my pack with me. And yeah, but that's it for this day one, y'all. We're back at it again. We're back at it. I love traveling, not for these kind of occasions, but yeah, it is what it is. But it's been almost 2 years since we've been back to this place, and it's crazy that this is what's bringing us back. But hey, we know It's gonna be a time, and I'm gonna be with all my cousins, my brother, yeah, my mom. Yeah, it's gonna be something. So guys, I'm home. It's Tuesday, and guess what? My package came. Oh my god. My package came, y'all. I'm not even waiting. Like, see how I went to work? Yeah. The middle part still has hair in there, baby. Oh shit. Alright, let's see what we've got. Oh. Okay, Shein. What is this? Shein swim. Oh, this was a two-piece set, but I didn't know it was a swim piece cover-up. I did see them wear it with a bikini, but I didn't know it was for swim only. It's kind of see-through. Damn. It's like linen material. Anyways, still have to go here. Ooh. This I'm excited for. This is like this zebra print dress. Cute little like shirt dress. So I'm excited about that. This is the next like shorts two-piece set. Let me just show you guys the print because I don't want to take it out. And it's a nice little maroon color. Oh, I got my phone case! It's a phone. Love that. This is a romper. Okay, this is the thing that I got for the theater. Oh, this one has gold on it. It's a good thing I did not. Something there. Anyways, y'all, so the thing that I have that I want to wear, I think the boobie is showing a little too much. Well, that's what my mom said. If it's up to me, just wear it. So I got this thingy to wear. Yeah, hopefully it works. If not, more about more money. But yeah, this to go over the dress. Call it a day. It better freaking fit, eh? Every door, every bad. And I found one in my Amazon, on Amazon, so I will link it in my Amazon store, friends, if you guys are interested. But one thing about me, baby, I'm gonna be extra. Better believe it. Oh, I got a crochet. Does this match my hat at all? A little, maybe, yes. Got a crochet top. Yeah, cute. Some accessories. This to go with the shawl thingy. Also, good thing everything is gold then. My cover up. Our next romper. And the next two-piece set. And then I have one more package coming, and then this is my mommy's dress. Material. This is my mommy's dress. She loved it, and it has a cute little split in the back. A really nice slit in the back. And this is light enough for Jamaica. Where's this black? And yeah. Anyways, y'all, I just got in. Literally just got in. And talk to y'all a little bit later, okay? Something more interesting is happening. Bye. What else? welcome to another day. It's Wednesday. I'm loving this. Like, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Even though I cut off woolly, I did cut off a lot. Not on purpose, but cut off a lot of it. But hey, we move. It's hair, it'll grow back. I'm gonna perm my hair. Because again, as I said, it's Wednesday and time is going. Brought my dress to my mom's. Doesn't fit her. Well, it fits, but it's form fitting, and she's like, oh, my belly's filling out. Like, she doesn't have panties to cover over her bed, like that go to her breast. Lady, whatever. But anyways, she gonna have to look for something. But I'm not up to doing that. But yeah, there's this show that I'm watching on Netflix right now. It's called Blood Sisters. If you like African shows, well, not African shows, if you like African movies and stuff like that, you'll probably really like it. It's a really good series. Or yeah, well, not really series, because I think there's only one season. Let me not lie. Let me double check. I would love if it continued, because baby, nope, limited. There's only 4 episodes, but it's really good. It's about this girl who was with this abusive guy, and on the day of their wedding something happened, and it's a lot, but it's so good. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that, perm my hair at the same time. It's 7:09 right now, so hopefully by 8 o'clock I'll be done and I can wash this out. And then I want to go and make something to eat and call it a day. I'm gonna try to practice the style that I want to do to see if it's gonna work, and then yeah, and then I can go and buy my hair tomorrow and start my hair tomorrow. If it works, then I'm probably gonna start pre-parting. Oh, I want to get the thing on Amazon, the little 3 folding mirror thingy. I want to get that, so I need to go order that so I can do my hair. It'll help me. I just want to be extra, and I don't really need to be extra because I'm used to doing my hair and I can do it, so it's okay. Like next time, yeah, next time I'll invest in that. But yeah, that's about it for now, y'all. It's Wednesday. I leave on Tuesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Shit, I got 6 days. My God. Anywho, yeah. is what is it? What's today? September 29th? Yeah, just got back in from off the road. And so why did you have to leave? Anyways, so just got in from off the road. I brought you guys, but it was super hectic. But we went to go, I followed one of my cousins to go and pick up my uncle's suit. So we bought my uncle's suit. Yeah. So we bought my uncle's suit. So nice. So nice. I love it. And I love that I was a part of the process. So yeah, bought my uncle's suit. I'm here right now trying to buy the material to make the shirts for us and stuff. So got that. And then yeah, and then my cousin had to go to one of my next cousin's house to get some information on one of our older cousins that passed away, just to kind of figure out how like she came into the picture and stuff like that, so that we can include, or that so that she can be included in the eulogy or when they're speaking about like his kids and stuff like that. So yeah, that was it for today. It's Thursday again, as I said, September 29th. We leave in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days. Leave in 5 days, huh? It's here. We leave in 5 days, so yeah, just trying to do what we need to do. And yeah, so yeah, I'm just here getting my thing off of Amy. Free shipping. Okay, yeah. Oh, I did get my hair. Well, some of it. Hopefully I don't need much more, but I did get my hair. Should I show you guys? I'll show you guys when I'm doing my hair, which I really wanted to start it tonight, but I'm just gonna bleach tomorrow and kind of start doing it tomorrow. My husband was supposed to take me on a date this weekend, but he just canceled. So I ain't got nothing to do, so I'm just gonna do my hair all weekend and then probably do my toes on Saturday. And then I have my lash appointment on Sunday, and then I'm probably gonna do my nails Monday after work so that my nails are the freshest. And then I just have to come in, record my content, and then go the next day. So yeah, it's happening, and it's happening pretty fast. But yeah, here we are, and yeah. So yeah. Hi guys, it's Friday, September 29th. I'm gonna start my hair now. I'm dreading it. Honestly, I'm dreading it. Like, I'm literally dreading it, but it's twist, so I hope that it's gonna be a lot faster. 2, I don't know if I'm gonna do it so small. 3, they tried to deliver my hair, my bundles today, and because I wasn't here, they didn't drop it off. So I need to double check and see if I can pick up my delivery or my package. And yeah, I get that. Oh, damn. But yeah, I'm gonna start my hair now. I have a nail appointment tomorrow. I'm going to sorry. I'm gonna do my toes tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do my nails on Monday. Yeah, just gonna do that. Probably do my wax tomorrow too. Wax and my nails tomorrow, and then Sunday I'm gonna get a refill on my lashes. Yeah, I think it's been a week only, literally like a week yesterday, and I already lost a lot. Like, I already lost a lot. I don't know. Anyways, but I'm gonna do that, and then as I said, Monday after work I'm gonna do my nails and then come home and finish packing. Sometime throughout this weekend I gotta do my like packing content. and stuff. So I gotta throw that in there some way somehow. And then place my Amazon orders. I almost forgot. My uncle asked me to get him something. I need to put that in my cart before I forget. It was already in there. I don't know. I moved it out, but I need to put it back in there and do that. So yeah, let's do my hair. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Let me show you guys what I got for that actually. Hold on. So I want to do the passion twist, but like goddess boho, right? So I got this hair, 20 inches. I don't need anything too crazy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got this. I got 2 packs to start. I got a locking gel, and I got this. It's synthetic, but it should be able to go on because I'm working with a budget right now, like, yeah. And then I still have the other bundles that I just took out, like the good pieces that I had left, and I had washed my hair before I took it out, so they're pretty good. So I'm gonna mix and match that, plus the hair that I have, that I bought from that tent sale the last time before I went to Mexico. And that I didn't use the Remy. Battery's gonna die. I'm gonna start my hair and I'll be back. Okay, guys? I'll show you what I look like in a little bit. Bye. Ooh. Ooh, my camera was just messing with me a little bit. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I just hope it lasts. I hope it lasts. When I come back from this trip, baby, we're gonna work on getting a new camera because I can't deal with this no more. I can't. I cannot. Guys, it is currently 11:28, and as you can see, I don't reach nowhere in life. I'm still parting my parts, but this is what we're currently looking like. Yeah, I think I did them way too small, but there's no going back. There's absolutely no going back. This is what we're doing. So this is what I have left. Hope y'all are seeing because I can't see. Yeah, this is what I have left to do. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wake up in the morning and finish. I started to already, and my hairs are not staying in, but my delivery was dropped up. You will always know when Joel is in the bathroom. My package was dropped off, so I'm gonna pick that up in the morning before I head to my nail appointment. And then I gotta pick up some ink to do the shirts. And then, yeah, that should be that. And then I'll come home and I'll finish my hair. Sorry, and then I'll come home and I'll finish my hair. Yeah, and I want to make a pizza and everything because my mom has the stuff. And that's actually what I was craving to make today. So, yeah, but I'm going to sign off for today. When you guys see me tomorrow, hopefully I have a little bit more progress. Or, yeah, I can just start doing it. Because once this is done, then I can just, you know, just go. So it won't be so bad. This is the part that takes the longest, but I really don't know why I did these so small, but I have a small head and I like my hair to be full. So yeah, only good thing is passion twists are pretty lightweight, you know, so getting it in a bun or a ponytail or whatever shouldn't be too bad. And I plan on wearing it up the entire time because Jamaica arts, ain't nobody got time. Anyways, as I said, that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys. Hold on, this one's gonna turn it back off. Anyways, so guys, it's Saturday, September 30th, 3:18. And I haven't done anything to my hair yet. I'm about to start my hair. I'm actually sitting down for the first time today, like inside my house. You know, the manners, you couldn't say hi before you walk away. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair, watch something. But I did get my hair today. I'm gonna open it and see what these bundles be looking like. I don't think I'm gonna use them just because I don't feel like I wanna use perfectly brand new hair. Cause yeah, I don't feel like I want to use perfectly brand new hair. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about the hair because I do have to do a review. So you guys will know more about the hair then. For now, ooh, woo! Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna show you guys, cause yeah, no free promo yet. Okay, let me get some lash. Okay, I got a comb of that, a wig cap. What's this? Is this a clip-in? Oh, it's a tape-in. 613, 18-inch tape-in. Okay. Ooh, the curl is cute too, you know. The curl is cute. This would be a cute little off of off dome type ear. Come now. This would have been cute. I'm not even gonna hold you. This would have been cute, but I don't want to waste it. Not waste it, but I don't know. Something about boho, like, I don't know. It doesn't matter the hair. I just feel like it doesn't even matter the care. Because, baby, I was combing my hair every single day, watering that every single day, conditioning that every other day, moussing that every other day. So, I don't know. I washed my hair and it still was not giving. So, I don't know. But, yeah. I'm going to start my hair. I'm also cooking at this time as well. So in the meantime, between, oh shoot, do that while I'm also cooking. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Show you guys more. Literally only did 4 twists so far. So let's see what we can do. It's 3:22 right now. See how long it takes me to finish. But the worst part is over. I parted everything, so that's literally the worst part. So yeah. Hey y'all, so this is after 3 hours. Tree bad. I ran out of braids, so this is where I'm parking it for today, and I will pick up tomorrow where I left off. Gibbon Island. So guys, I just left my lash appointments. Yeah, and I bought it and all. What did I do today? It's Sunday, October the 1st. Wake up! It's the first of the month. Yeah, it's Sunday, October the 1st. Kind of shaking brakes a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. But woke up this morning super late, went to the hair store to pick up some more hair, which I still think I need more of. I found some old ones, so I'm kind of mixing and doing what I gotta do, because baby, my printer is not working and I'm supposed to make some shirts for us to wear to the 9 night. So I gotta go to work extra early in the morning to have and see if I can print those off there. And then my cousin begged me to follow him to the mall again.
Next station
we can find him a shirt this
Highway
time.
407.
So earlier
Highway
in the week we went and
407 station.
earlier in the week we went and bought my uncle suit, and then I guess he didn't remember he needed something to wear as well. So we went today to try to find something for him. We didn't end up getting anything, so I don't know what we're gonna do. But did that. I also went to my mom's because I had to bring something for her to take with her. So I went and I grabbed that, and then yeah, I came home, did a little bit of hair, getting home now to go and finish what I can finish. Hopefully I can go out in like 2 hours or so before I start to go to bed. And then tomorrow, finally doing these lashes. I hate walking around like this. I feel like a girl. But maybe whatever. I'm just happy that my lashes look a lot more full right now.
Arriving at Highway 407. Highway 407 station. Doors will open on the left.
I feel like I really yeah, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Heading home now. I will see you guys when I get home. I'm gonna do a little bit more of my hair. Hi guys. So just finished my hair and it's 9:38, which is not bad because I got home at about 7:30 and I started at 8 o'clock, so it took me an hour and a half to finish what I had left to finish. This is not complete, but the base is done. Jordan, right? Love her. Just giving tropical vibes. And then when I add in my curly pieces, it will be complete. I don't even know what I'm wearing down tomorrow. I could do a cute little hat. Do I have anything plain and black? I don't know what I'm wearing home tomorrow, but love it. So yeah. I'm gonna take a little break because I'm honestly good for time. I basically don't really have that much left to do. I have my shirts to do. I have to pack, do the packing videos. So like all of that's gonna be done at the same time. I got my Amazon order. And yeah, we're so good. Like I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. Y'all, I didn't realize how MIA I was this last month because I just messaged Day and I was like, if you don't hear from me, I'm in Jamaica. Or I'm leaving tomorrow or something like that. She was like, wait, what? Like you're traveling for this? Like I didn't know. Like you're traveling. Like y'all, I have not been communicating with anybody except family all September long. Like yeah, but anyways, I'll hit you guys back up when there's more. Anyway, yeah, bye. Oh, did my nails. They came out super cute. Love them. We're supposed to wear blue, so this is my contribution to blue. Yeah. And yeah.